Baby, I need to hatted your ate.
Let me sama with you.
How? It's isa lang pwede sa aking motor.
You're gonna come walk in the church and you get the car and you open the car when you have keys and you're gonna sama with your keys.
And then?
And you're gonna walk there and drive over here now.
And then?
I'm gonna sama with you.
You're gonna sama with me.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm a baby.
You're a baby. I think you're adult.
I'm adult now and I'm gonna sama with you. And I'm gonna come in the back.
There's no car. What do I need to do?
You can walk in the church.
And then?
You pick a car and you get the car, but you not strong and you get some eggs and eat it and you'll be strong and you get it.
You said I'm not strong.
You just eat veggies.
I need to eat veggies to be strong.
Yes,
Why?
because when you not eat veggies, you're not strong.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. I need to hatid you.
Bye, bye, bye. Please, I'm with you.
I need to pick up your Ate Pay in her school.
And then please, I'm with you.
Okay. I think I need to pick up the car and then sama you. Dito ka lang kunin ko yung kotse ulit.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Come in the motor and doing some other things to some with you. Get some. You're gonna get some motor and the car and put it right in the place.
Okay, wait me for a while and your ate will stay here.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
And we gonna brush our hair and we dig later.
Like,
Goodbye.
do you love me?
Yes.
Wow, how?
No.
When I is about to
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. My name Brother Melchor.
Why? Do you know my name?
Yes.
That is not my name. My name is Alden Richard.
What your name is Brother Melchor.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a great-
Because you have a handsome hair.
Yeah, handsome your bolero. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Here.
High five.
Bye.
Bye-bye. High five.
High five the camera. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye. High five. Ben.
Put your hand in the camera.